How to get your 8-digit backup code for Gmail. Gmail's 8-digit backup codes are a critical part of your Google account's two-step verification security. They allow you to log in if you cannot receive codes via text or your Authenticator app. You don't buy them, you generate them from your Google account settings. Open your web browser and go directly to your Google account security page. To do that, go to google.com and click on your profile picture. Click on Manage Your Google Account. Make sure you're logged in into the correct Google account. Now, go to the security page. On the security page, scroll down until you find the How You Sign Into Google box. Within this box, click on Two-Step Verification. Once inside the Two-Step Verification settings, scroll down. You will see a section titled Backup Codes. Click on Show Codes or Get Backup Codes. Google will then display a list of 10 unique 8-digit backup codes. Immediately write these codes down physically and store them in a very safe, private, and offline location.